Hi, how are you? There is nothing worse than sleeping in the same room with someone who snores. Sleep apnea or snoring is a serious sleep disorder if left untreated. So how to get rid of snoring habits? We usually snore when the movement of air that we breathe in and out is obstructed due to cold, sinus, being overweight, or when the throat muscles relax. While occasional snoring due to a cold or sinus is not serious. Habitual snoring is very dangerous and can lead to stroke, high blood pressure, and heart attack. But don't worry, problem solved. Here are some best remedies for snoring. Honey, olive oil, fish oil, turmeric. Honey to get rid of snoring. Honey has antibacterial and antiviral properties that help clean the throat. When we snore, our throat becomes sore as it swells up. The anti-inflammatory properties of honey help reduce the swelling, thus prevent the soft palate and larynx from overlapping. Drink a glass of warm water mixed with a teaspoon of honey every day. At night before going to bed, the warm water will relax the rigid muscles. Olive oil to get rid of snoring. Eating a large amount of saturated fats can cause heartburn and inflammation of the respiratory tract, which leads to soreness in the throat and congestion of the air passage. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive reduce the inflammation and cure heartburn. Take 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix it in half cup of water. Drink it before hitting the hay. Fish oil to get rid of snoring. Fish oil contains omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids that produce good cholesterol in the body and stop the production of bad cholesterol. This helps reduce the fat accumulated around the throat and nasal tract, hence clears the passage through which air flows in and out of your body. Turmeric to get rid of snoring. The spice is used to cure many ailments. It has antibiotic and antiseptic properties that cure inflammation and prevent snoring. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric in a glass of warm milk or water. Drink it at night before going to sleep. This will reduce the congestion in the nasal tract, thereby reduce snoring. In fact, this remedy is ideal for curing cough and cold as well. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, let us know in the comment and subscribe us.